the power of without recourse, and how to use it as legal armor in financial transactions. There's a legal phrase that can shield you from liability in powerful financial transactions: without recourse. It's not just legalese, it's legal armor. In this video, I'll show you how to use it to protect yourself like the pros do. The phrase without recourse, when properly understood and applied, becomes one of the most powerful legal shields available to parties dealing with negotiable instruments under UCC Article 3. This phrase, though often overlooked, is recognized in UCC Section 3-415(b) and serves to limit liability upon endorsement of an instrument. When you endorse a promissory note or other negotiable instrument with the words "without recourse," you explicitly disclaim secondary liability. In plain terms, if the party to whom you transferred the instrument seeks payment and the obligor fails to pay, they cannot legally pursue you for collection. This applies whether you are the maker, drawer, or endorser of the instrument. This clause transforms your role into a non-guarantor of the instrument. While you are still transferring it for value, you are doing so without binding yourself to the outcome of the payment or performance. It is equivalent to telling the recipient, "You may use this, but if it fails, it's your risk, not mine." Its use is especially critical in a car or real estate purchases, mortgage or credit card dispute responses, commercial lien settlements, trust transactions, and administrative tenders made to public or private entities. In litigation, this language may be the determining factor between liability and discharge. Once an instrument is endorsed without recourse and accepted, the opposing party has no lawful right to come after the issuer, and doing so may constitute conversion, breach of contract, or fraud. Furthermore, federal banking practices, including those at the Federal Reserve discount window, require non-recourse terms to finalize acceptance. A note endorsed without recourse has already been paid, and any further demand for payment may be challenged under UCC Section 3-603, Discharge by Payment, and Section 3-415(b), Exclusion of Recourse. The proper use of this clause converts your signature into legal armor, protecting you against any future enforcement action while maintaining your power as the originating creditor. Footnote: this section explains how the phrase "without recourse" serves as a legally binding disclaimer of liability under UCC Section 3-415(b), shielding the endorser from any future collection or enforcement attempt.